chest hurt. And my throat. I have a headache. Dr. Mcstuffins, can you come over? Please check me.
I think she's okay, right? Batman. She's okay, right? High five. Wanna check your tongue? Back. Can you cough again? Oh no, you keep coughing. Okay. Check the tongue. Okay. Batman will give you medicine, okay?
I like that.
No, you need the medicine. You need the medicine. Give out the medicine. Give out the medicine.
No!
No, you need the medicine, Elsa.
No!
You need the medicine.
No! Yucky. It tastes like gummies.
Oh, one more medicine. Elsa, you need injection, okay?
No!
You need the flu shot. You need the flu shot. Okay? You need injection, Elsa. It's your flu shot.
No! Ouch! What's this? Ow! No!
Ouch!
Ouch!
Say ouch!
Ouch!
There you go. You need the band-aid, okay? Okay. Here's the band-aid, Batman. Here's the band-aid.
Put my tummy on it. Put on the tummy. I help you. Put your tummy on. Let me help. Hey, no! This one. Put on
Okay,
one.
put here.
Put on tummy.
Okay, put on the tummy.
They could do this. They could do this.
Okay, Elsa, we need to check if you have a fever.
Mama!
Here, Batman, check Elsa if she has a fever.
This one. No, this one. This one.
Oh no! She has a fever!
Check my eyes.
Okay, she needs a medicine.
Oh no!
She needs medicine.
No! No!
But Elsa, you need it.
No! I'm scared!
Put it. No, Elsa, you need it. Say Good job. High five.
Candy. Yummy.
Good job, Batman.
This one. This one.
There you go.
Check my nose.
Okay, so what do we do here? Elsa is sick. Okay. Elsa, we need to take an x-ray of your chest, okay? Batman will do it. Okay, Batman, do the x-ray for Elsa, please. It's looking good, Elsa. Your chest is okay.
Thank you, Elsa. Thank you, Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.